Make a great choice today with the 2018 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.